The electric bike revolution continues to reshape the way we move through our cities. And among the countless brands making waves in this market, Heybike has quickly established itself as a name to watch. Founded in 2021, this Chinese company has focused on creating affordable, eco-friendly, and stylish electric bikes that speak directly to the needs of modern commuters. Now, with the launch of the Heybike Helio F, the brand is offering what could be one of the most versatile and practical foldable e-bikes on the market today. Designed specifically for urban dwellers, the Helio F combines lightweight construction, portability, and advanced features in a package that makes navigating city life easier than ever. At just 18 kilograms, or about 40 pounds, this folding e-bike is ultra-light compared to most competitors, making it manageable for riders who need to carry it upstairs, take it on public transport, or tuck it neatly into the trunk of a car. Thanks to Heybike's patented X-Fold system, the Helio F can be folded down in seconds into a compact size of 90 by 52 by 66 centimeters. That means whether you live in a small apartment, work in an office with limited storage, or travel frequently, this e-bike is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. At the core of its functionality is a 360 watt-hour battery cleverly integrated into the seat post. Riders can expect a range of 80 to 120 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the riding mode. Better yet, the battery is removable and can be charged independently of the bike, adding another layer of convenience. A recharge takes between 4 to 6 hours, perfect for overnight charging or topping up during a workday. The Helio F's performance is equally impressive for its size. It's powered by a rear hub motor delivering 40 Newton-meters of torque, which, when paired with its torque sensor, offers a smooth and natural pedal assist experience. That means acceleration feels intuitive, without the jerky transitions often associated with budget e-bikes. Riders can also rely on an 8-speed Shimano Altus drivetrain for versatile gear options, while Tektro hydraulic disc brakes ensure safe and responsive stopping power in busy traffic. Add in CST 20-inch tires, and this foldable e-bike is prepared to handle steep city inclines and uneven pavement without breaking a sweat. But Heybike has gone a step further to make the Helio F stand out in a crowded market. In collaboration with 3 internationally renowned artists, Rick Berkelmans, Emiliano Ponzi, and Mark Malarco, the company has released limited edition versions of the bike that transform it into a moving piece of art. Each artist brought their unique perspective to the project. Berkelmans took inspiration from the blend of urban and rural landscapes he encounters daily, while Emiliano Ponzi celebrated fleeting moments of exploration with his golden half-hour theme. Malarco, known for his playful style, created designs filled with magical forest creatures, turning the bike into a whimsical statement on wheels. The standard Helio F will be priced at €1,499 or about $1,759, while the artist editions come in slightly higher at €1,599 or $1,876. The launch is scheduled for October in several European countries, including France, Germany, and the UK. With its blend of practicality, portability, and artistic expression, the Heybike Helio F is more than just an e-bike. It's a statement about the future of urban mobility. Compact, stylish, and built for the modern commuter, it shows how personal transportation can be sustainable, functional, and even fun.